Hello everyone. You may have met me before at one of our live exhibitions in Milton Keynes or Dublin. You have just watched where buyers and suppliers from manufacturing community meet to share ideas and build new business relationships. As you're aware, the opportunity to meet in person has been reduced. To help our communities stay connected, we have created Manufacturing Online 365. We are really excited to announce that over the next few months, with your input, Manufacturing 365 will provide news, panel discussions, interviews, insight into market trends, and new product launches. The platform will also help fill job vacancies throughout the manufacturing and supply chain sector. The Manufacturing 365 online exhibition will provide a platform for buyers and suppliers to stay connected 24/7, 365 days a year, with dedicated booths with links to videos, brochures, websites, and the ability to live chat. I cannot wait to join us in our new Manufacturing 365 studio for lively discussions and debates on digitisation, robotics, Brexit, IoT 4.0, lean supply chain, and 3D printing. So why not get in touch with our speaker team if you wish to participate in any of the presentations or panel discussions. I really look forward to seeing you all online at Manufacturing 365.